everyone, welcome to the new era of makeup. This is Rida Zahra, and if you're new here, like, subscribe and share Biggest.pk YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to create this fall look as fall is approaching with a very amazing brand. You've all heard of Makeup Revolution. I have been a great fan, and now they have launched their new series with the name of Relove. And trust me, the Relove collection is all you need to create beautiful looks and in much more affordable prices. So I'm going to use a few of their products, and for the rest of the products, they have a huge collection. You should go and check out Vegas.pk website and discover your new favorites and make the purchase. So let's get on to today's look and grab a snack. So the look I'm going to create today is going to be perfect for autumn's approaching. So it's a very good fall look with some warm colors and a little bit of summery tint to it. So let's get right into it and start with our look. So I'm going to do my eyebrows first, and for that I'm using their brow blade. So I'm going to do my eyebrows first, and for that I'm going to use this product. ये एक dual ended pen है. So from this part, which is a very micro blade for drawing your eyebrows, इससे मैं अपनी eyebrows draw करूँगी, and it's going to give my eyebrows a very realistic fuller look. And just to show you guys, I'll tell you how it's done. So आप हल्के-हल्के strokes इसी से करेंगे, and I like how it's not super pigmented. So अगर आपको कोई mistakes भी हो जाएं along the way, it's not gonna mess up your look. So as you guys can see the difference, this looks so much more defined than this eyebrow, and it literally took me just a few seconds. So I'm gonna complete the other one too now. So I like how this product is super buildable. Even if you go in with some mistakes, you can easily, just correct it with your fingers. And my eyebrows are done. So for the foundation, I'm going to use their HD Super Serum Foundation. So just so you know, it's a foundation cum serum. So you won't have to put serum on your face before you apply the foundation. Or इसमें hyaluronic acid है, which is super great for the hydration of your face. So it's not only going to cover your flaws, it's even going to hydrate your skin that it needs. And let's see how it looks. So this comes with a little bit of a pump, and I'm just going to take some on the back of my hand. So I've taken just one pump in my hand, and then as I go, I'll see if I need more. So that's how the foundation looks. The good thing about it is that it's buildable. So if you're looking for a sheer coverage and for daily wear, this is perfect. And it's ideal for very dry skin girls, because I know that dry skin pe makeup balance out karna and to play with makeup is really hard. But I think this foundation is going to be perfect for the ones who are looking for hydration, some love, and a little bit coverage. So for setting my foundation, I'm going to use their Super Matte HD Loose Powder, and I've heard it goes perfectly with their Super Serum Foundation. So I'm going to give it a try and show you guys. So now I've done the contour, and I'm going to start with the good part, which is the eye makeup. And for that, I have taken their Empower palette, and you can see it has lovely pink, maroon, warm tints, and also very shimmery shades, but I will go for a matte look, so let's get right into it. So you can see, like on the bottom of my eyes, like the bottom lid, I've taken some maroon to give the entire look some little bit of a vampy look, and then I'm going to blend it out with the brown color to just make it a little bit more soft and subtle. So now I'm done with the eyeshadows, and I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. And for that, I've taken two eyeliners. One is their white dip eyeliner, and I'm really excited about this product because I've been longing to look for a nice, long-lasting white eyeliner. And on top of that, I'm going to use the black eyeliner. This is an eyeliner pen, and you can see it has a very precise pointed little pen, which is very excellent for precision, which I need exactly for this look. So let's get started. waterline, I'm going to use their black pencil to complete the look, and then I'll move on with the eyelashes. So for the eyelashes, I have taken their Power Lash Mascara. It's in a very catchy pink packaging, and let's have a look at the wand. And it has a very nice thick wand, which is going to be perfect to give my eyelashes a very voluptuous look. So for my blush, I'm going to use their Duo Blush and Highlighter palette. It has a very pretty warm pink color with a really shimmery highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks. So for prepping my lips, I'm going to use their Glam Balm. It's in a very nice pink color. Probably just has a tinge of color. I'm going to use it in the back of my hand. And that's how the texture looks. And now I'm going to complete the look with their Baby Gloss. And it's in a very pretty pink color. And let's see how it looks. So here's the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I certainly did, and loved playing with all these beautiful colors. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.